Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending morning weight loss drink and detox drink. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need 2 ingredients to make this drink. The first one is dry oregano. Dry oregano has a lot of health benefits such as it improves digestion, strengthens immunity system, improves bone health and helps to manage diabetics. It is high in antioxidants and helps to fight off bacteria and viruses, potentially reduce the growth of cancer cell and helps to reduce inflammation. Add 1 teaspoon of this dry oregano to a mug like this. To this add 1 cup of hot water. Close it with a lid and let this rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes open and check. The benefits and the essence of the dry oregano is well extracted to the water. Now strain and add it to the same mug. The second ingredient is lemon. Lemon is again a very healthy ingredient. Lemon supports heart health, helps control weight, prevents kidney stone, protect against anemia, reduces the risk of cancer and improves digestive health. You will need about a tablespoon of lemon juice for this recipe, so half the lemon is more than sufficient. Add it to the mug. Give it a good mix. This drink cleans your body and liver. This drink helps to lose 3 kilos in a week when you maintain a proper and healthy diet for the rest of your day. Now a healthy weight loss drink is ready. Drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then you can eat a date 10 minutes prior to this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat-coated drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink today boosts your immunity, so do try this fat-coated drink at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you like this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.